Today we are talking about something super interesting. The three main personality types: introverts, extroverts, and ambiverts. You've probably heard these terms before, but do you know what they actually mean? More importantly, do you know which one you are? By the end of this video, you'll not only figure that out, but also learn how to leverage your personality type for personal and professional growth. Let's start with introverts. Introverts are often misunderstood. It's not about being shy or antisocial. It's about where you get your energy. Introverts recharge when they're alone. They're the people who love a quiet evening with a book over a loud party. Here are the key traits of introverts: reflective and deep thinkers, prefer meaningful conversations over small talk, observant and great listeners, thrive in solitude and independent work. If you're an introvert, don't feel pressured to change. Lean into your strengths, like your ability to focus deeply and think critically. You're a powerhouse in one-on-one connections. Next up, extrovert. These are the folks who light up the room. Extroverts thrive on social interactions and feel energized by being around others. Here's what makes extroverts stick: outgoing and talkative, love being the center of attention, energized by socializing and group activities, easily connect with new people, expressive and enthusiastic. If you're an extrovert, here's a hack: channel your natural charisma into networking and collaboration. Just don't forget to pause and listen. It's a superpower that complements your energy. Finally, let's talk about ambiverts. Ambiverts are like the sweet spot between introverts and extroverts. They can adapt to whatever the situation demands, which makes them super versatile. Here's what ambiverts bring to the table: adaptable and balanced, enjoy both solitude and socializing, comfortable in both large groups and one-on-one interactions, great at reading people and situations, and skilled at balancing listening and talking. If you're an ambivert, you've got the best of both worlds. Use that adaptability to navigate social dynamics like a pro, whether it's leading a team or taking time for yourself. Alright, so now that you know the key traits of introverts, extroverts, and ambiverts, which one resonates with you the most? Let me know in the comments. Personally, I think I'm a bit of an ambivert. I love a good brainstorming session, but I also need my alone time to recharge. What about you? If you found this video helpful, do give it a thumbs up. And if you're into content about productivity, self-improvement, and making the most out of life, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.